Improbable is a 3-day workshop where you learn the art thinking methods, and to do that you attend conferences and you practice art. After 3 days you have a piece of art to present to your ex-com, to your colleagues, to rethink typical problems that you have in your company. I noticed how traditional courses and traditional pedagogy was really limited, and that's why I decided with an artist to launch a first experiment in executive education programs. ESCP Europe is a pioneer when it comes to entrepreneurship. ESCP Europe is leading the way and is leading an art thinking collective around the globe. We have, managers, top managers, entrepreneurs, marketers, so it's very diverse. You're going to have to practice yourself inside a studio, but as well as outside in the streets.
They work on issues such as management 3.0, digital transformation, cultural organizations. They have to think out of the box. It's the second time we've been using Improbable, and it's really a challenging and amazing experience.
So you can customize the workshop with specific topics, with specific duration, so you can complement art thinking with design thinking, with business modeling. It's a leverage to change your culture and to shift from a top-down managerial approach to a more entrepreneurial organization. You can rethink your competition, you can rethink your business model, you can rethink the way you organize your organization. Many top managers who come to the exhibition, they tell us that they don't recognize their employees. They're like, wow, they did that in such a limited time, and we didn't know they were so creative.